We continue with the second part for the finishing. For this, I'm going to add a texture inside the component. So I click on this part inside, and I'm going to go then on landscaping, fencing and vegetation. And for example, I can add this vegetation on a low cost. Then I'm going to take the move tool and I'm going to choose an angle. So I'm going to go out from this, I'm going to take this angle, and for example, why not to place that around this lever, like this, and I can change little the size, so it means to go on scale tool, like that, and after I can take this point and I can place that, for example, going to center like this. So it's okay for that. Then other possibility will be also, I can go here, and why not to add a carpet, so I can create my own carpet. Or this time I'm not obliged to create a component, I can just do this something like this. Then I just need to click on this face and I select first the texture, so I go on carpet, fabric, leather, textile, and I can select, why not, suede blue, or why not carpet like this. Yes, I can select this carpet. I'm just going to change the color, and why not to add more blue color like this. And I can paint like that. After, I just take the push pull and I select this part, push pull, and I'm going to push from just 2 centimeters like this. So it's okay for that. Then I can add, why not, just few books on the table, so I can go 3D warehouse. And I can type book. And again, I can just take these books and I can place, for example, here. Scale tool first, and I reduce like that, and after I take and I place. So I take the print and I'm going to go here. Or maybe it's a little small, like this. I can go on scale tool again, and maybe I can change little the size like this. So for example, I can go again on 3D warehouse, and I can just type shelf, and for example I can take this small shaft I'm going to integrate this just beside the fridge. So first I place the element here. After I'm going to change the size like that. I move. So I take rotation tool and I'm going to create a rotation. So blue X, this point, going to can take a point like this, and I can turn 90 degrees like that. Then I can zoom, or again scale tool, and I can reduce like this. And then I have just to place, or maybe I can just improve like that. I take the move tool and I can take, for example, this part and as you can see I can go here. Like this. I can just change little the size. But no, I think it's okay like that. I'm going to stay like this. And it's okay, we have finished for the indoor design of our apartment like that.